You got to buy these gold mining stocks before they really take off.
Yeah. So he's been right. Peter Schiff was right. And the gold mining stocks are just like absolutely taken off. Like he's talking about that they could double or triple by the end of the year. Some of them have already done that. One of the things that annoys me is that I used to own all these stocks.
I was just about to say.
Oh yeah, you remember. I used to own all these gold stocks, and I got so tired of waiting around for the sky to fall that I just sold them all. What's interesting though is that because you buy a gold stock at $5, a junior miner at $5, and then it drops to $250, and you're sitting on a 50% loss for 5 years. You're like annoyed by that, and then you look now, and then gold is up, and the stock is up. Fine, whatever. What I find interesting is that this feels the same way that it felt when Trump did the Bitcoin reserve. It's like yay, the system's collapsing. Like that's what it is, right? It's like, yay, I can have all uncertainty and fear. Everybody's running for the exit, so no one knows where to put their money. Let's put it in gold, yay! And so I find it all very distressing to make the rounds, because with the Bitcoin people, the strategic reserve, it was like we're Bitcoin maxis, and screw the dollar and alternate system and the whole thing. President of the Holy Global Empire signs the strategic reserve. Trump for president, Trump for president. It's like, okay, what are we praising here? But as far as the trade is concerned, the miners are absolutely ripping and taking off. I find it difficult to go for the ETFs for the gold miners. There's so much alpha that's showing up over here for if you pick the good junior miner, if you pick the good long-term miner, because some of these stocks are just absolutely ripping. Actually, you'll talk about a few of them in the market minute, but gold stocks are interesting. And at the same time, if you just pull up my screen here, 1 second.
There I am again. I mean, I look beautiful and everything, but
if I pull up my screen here, you'll see that the dollar, our boy, the dollar that we always pay attention to, is just absolutely getting trashed here. Right now, Mike talked about it last week. The falling dollar is great for emerging markets, right? You have to understand, like the dollar pressure. The higher the dollar gets, the harder it is for other nations in order to get it, for anyone to get it, but other nations as well. And so it slows down productivity around the world. But when the dollar is fallen, it's easier for them to get, and so those economies do better. So some people are praising this dollar down, and it has this effect of fueling gold's rise higher. Now, I'm not sure what to think about the dollar down, because this is a dollar down that's like faster than I've ever actually seen it. Right? And we broke below this 100.
It went down before. Don't you see it there?
Yeah, but then it bounced.
No. Before that, the big spike.
Oh, here. Yes. This is
up
this
and
is
down.
COVID. Yeah, absolutely.
No, after that. Up
over here,
all the way to the top, the highest point on your chart.
Yeah.
Down from there.
Yeah. But
sharp pull
this
down.
went down faster. This is like this is a waterfall. This is going straight down.
Oh, I see.
And at the 100 level, because what happened over here a couple of months ago, we talked about this idea that let me go to the weekly, that the dollar does this thing where first it bases for a while, then it explodes up, then bases for a while, then explodes up, then bases for a while. And the idea here is that there's a dollar short. Despite what anyone tells you, there's a dollar shortage in the world. There's just not enough dollars, and so you get these step changes, these crises that causes the dollar go up and up higher in prices.
But won't there be? Don't the tariffs mean there will be less dollars circulating? And aren't him getting rid of the trade deficits? Doesn't that also stop the export of dollars?
Yeah, so it makes me wonder, why is the dollar falling?
Anybody hear about those drones? Are the drones still flying around? Maybe it has something to do with them.
Well, yields are going up and the dollar's falling, so that means people are selling bonds, because dollars are just long, infinite duration bonds with zero interest rates. So they're selling bonds. They're selling the dollar and they're selling bonds. That's not good. That's not good at all.